Welcome back to English Made Interesting. Here are some awesome and mind-blowing psychological facts and weird facts which you may find hard to believe. What is psychology? It is the science of mind and behavior. It is a study of conscious and unconscious phenomena as well as feelings and thoughts. Human psyche is complex and every day we have new research on it to illuminate the way we are. These psychological facts explain human nature and it is something that you notice in yourself and others quite commonly. Plan A versus Plan B. If a person has a Plan B, his Plan A is less likely to work. Why? It is because when you have another option, then your motivation to succeed in the first plan gets dropped. Fear can feel good. You feel good about the fear if you are not really in danger. Why? It is because most of us love to watch a scary movie for sure. Because when we are watching a scary movie or walking through a haunted house, the hormones adrenaline, endorphins and dopamine released in the body makes you get a natural high feel without any actual risk. The brain recognizes that we are not really in danger, but it gives a thrill and excitement and helps to experience the feeling without being subjected to the danger. Yawning helps in bonding. Catching a yawn can help us bond. Why is it? We generally say yawning is contagious, but the study says that it is a way of showing empathy to others. But toddlers and people with some difficulties are not able to feel the empathy and so they do not yawn in reaction to others. Care for single person versus massive tragedies. On hearing a tragedy that struck a single person to that of a larger mass, people donate and help the single person than the larger group because humans are wired to help the person in front of them. The other one is just what you hear about and is not happening in front of you. The impact that the news create is much less and is a general feeling that for a bigger problem, small contribution is not doing much. Beginning and endings are easier to remember than the middles. Why? When you recall something, you are able to recollect the beginning and the end, but the middle part gets muddled due to lack of concentration. Psychologists call this the primacy effect, meaning beginning, and the recency effect, meaning the last thing that happened. Need 5 positive things to outweigh a single negative thing. Why is it? Brain has a negativity bias which makes us remember the bad news more than the good news. So that is the reason why many a times we remember the insults but forget the compliments. To feel the balance, we need 5 good things happening to one bad thing that has happened to us. Food tastes better when someone else makes it. Why? It is because in the process of making a meal all by yourself and running around it for a long time, the whole process makes it less interesting by the time you sit to enjoy it, and it gradually decreases the enjoyment. When someone else prepares it for you, the excitement in you remains and you tend to enjoy the food better. When the rule seems to be too strict, we have a tendency to break it. Why? It is due to a phenomenon called reactance. When people perceive certain freedoms being taken away, they break that rule in an effort to regain it. Certain color combinations are hard on your eyes. Why? When you see the colors like bright blue and red next to each other, the brain thinks that red is closer than the blue, which makes you go practically cross-eyed. Same goes for the other combinations like red and green. Remember things if you are tested on them. Why? People are more likely to store information in their long-term memory if they have been tested on the information than if they just study and don't need to remember it. Faces in inanimate objects. We look for human faces even in inanimate objects due to pareidolia. It means that recognizing faces is so important to social life that our brains would rather find one where there isn't one. Now, over to the hard to believe weird facts. Truth is stranger than fiction. A company that turns dead bodies into an ocean reef. The company Eternal Reefs mixes the cremated remains of a person with concrete to create a pearl onto which you can etch personal messages, handprints, or mementos. The pearl is then encased in a reef ball and is dropped into the sea, which provides a new habitat for the marine species. Bonobo, the common name for apes. Bonobo is the common name for apes, and it is a result of a typo error. The ape was first found in the town of Bolobo in the 1920s, but was misspelled Bonobo on the shipping crate in which the animal was placed. From then on, the animal was referred to as Bonobo, which means the pygmy chimpanzee, and it is an endangered great ape. With a more upright skeleton, long legs and narrow shoulders, bonobos have the ability to walk bipedally or on two legs. Bonobos look like small chimpanzees with whom they share 99.6% of their DNA, and both of these great apes share 98.7% of their DNA with humans, making them our closest living relatives. Flying bicycle sounds like something out of a science fiction novel. British inventors John Foden and Yannick Reed have come up with a bicycle that can fly. It is a two-wheeled bike named the Explore Air Paravelo that transforms into an aircraft. The Explore Air Paravelo, composed of a folding bicycle and a lightweight trailer that contains a biofuel-powered fan motor. It can reach up to 25 meters per hour in the air and 4,000 feet in altitude. The inventors were not able to reach their funding goal to produce enough Explorers for their wide availability. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Dolphins are known to be the smartest animal on the planet as they can conserve their brain power. They are constantly on the lookout for predators, and so they have developed a trick of maintaining partial consciousness even as part of their brain sleeps. Even after continuous nocturnal alertness, they are found to be alert and perspective as ever. Horse-drawn vacuum cleaners. An earliest known vacuum cleaner was so large that it has to be hauled from house to house with the help of a horse-drawn carriage. The giant hoses of the vacuum cleaner popped through the windows of the customers, and the gas-powered motor generated the suction that pulled the dirt and debris into the glass container. Alfred Hitchcock was an overphobe. Overphobe is someone who is frightened of eggs. Alfred Hitchcock was frightened of eggs in spite of being a man who terrified audiences with the movies like Psycho and The Birds. It says that he could tolerate blood that is red, but he found the egg yolk, which is yellow, to be revolting. He has never tasted it. Pigs don't sweat. The swine are born without sweat glands, so when they need to cool their body, the only option is to find a cool puddle of mud in which they can roll around. So have a rethink when you mention the saying, sweating like a pig. Cat served as mayor. A cat served as mayor of an Alaskan town for 20 years. In 1977, an orange cat named Stubbs became honorary mayor of the Alaskan town. The cat gained fans all around the world and served in that position for years by greeting tourists, and also became a beloved symbol of the town until his death in 2017. Spiderweb as bandage. It is said that in ancient Greece and Rome, doctors used their spiderwebs to make bandages for their patients. spiderwebs had natural antiseptic and antifungal properties that help to keep the wounds clean and to prevent infection. The spiderwebs also contain vitamin K, which helps in blood clotting. Apollo 11 crew used hundreds of autographs as life insurance. Neil Armstrong and the Apollo 11 crew signed hundreds of autographs, which their families would have been able to sell if they did not make it home. Luckily, those life insurance autographs weren't needed. Moonbow. While they are incredibly unusual, moonbows or lunar rainbows are caused by the reflection, refraction and dispersion of light and tend to happen most often in places with waterfalls and mist. There also needs to be a near full moon for there to be enough light for you to see it. Sumo wrestlers make babies cry for good luck. Generally, we try to prevent or stop the babies from crying, but that's not always the case in Japan. That's because it's a 400-year-old Japanese tradition that if a sumo wrestler can make the baby cry, it means he or she will live a healthy life. During a special ceremony, parents hand over their infants to sumo wrestlers who bounce the precious tots up and down and sometimes even roar in the little faces to get the tears flowing. At least one of the colors of the Olympic flag appears in all the national flags. Pierre de Coubertin designed the Olympic flag in the early 1900s and he was very intentional with his creation. At least one of the colors on the Olympic flag appears on the flags of every nation that competed in the games. A white background with 5 interlaced rings in the center. Blue, yellow, black, green and red is symbolic. Coubertin said in 1931. It represents the 5 inhabited continents of the world united by Olympism, while the 6 colors are those that appear on all the national flags of the world. Pink and purple lakes. Lake Hellier of Middle Island, which is off the coast of Western Australia, is known for its vibrant pink color, which is due to the presence of the algae Dunaliella salina. It causes the lake's salt content to create a red dye, which helps it to produce its bubblegum color. Despite the high salt levels, Lake Hellier is safe to swim in. Hellier also has a purplish lake sibling. Hutt Lagoon in Port Gregory on Western Australia's Coral Coast has a large amount of Dunaliella salina too. Depending on the season and the amount of cloud coverage, Hutt Lagoon can be of different colors ranging from red to pink to lilac. The tea bag, an accidental invention. In 1908, New York tea merchant Thomas Sullivan sent samples of tea leaves to his customers in small silken bags. Many of the recipients assumed that the entire bag was supposed to be put into the teapot rather than emptying out its contents. After getting positive feedback from the happy accident, Sullivan designed intentional tea bags for commercial production. In the 1920s, his sachet made of gauze and later paper included the string with the tag hanging over to the side so that the bag could be easily removed. Hope you really enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe.